Hi, guys, make your trading more competent and, accordingly, more profitable. Our developers have updated the FixProfit robot, a unique assistant that collects data from stock market indicators in real time and presents it in a convenient format, immediately determining which side to open a deal. The bot is free, get it from the link in the description. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. He also knows how to work the OTC market. The bot is a handy helper and I will make my own decision considering his recommendation. I start on the currency pair Euro, New Zealand dollar OTC, timeframe 5 minutes. In this case, the forecast from FixProfit is higher. I agree with it, in the context of the current market movement. Let's give it a try. I follow money management and that's why I invested 1% of the amount in the account. Guys, never enter trades higher than 1 to 2% of the account. I can afford to go in at 3 to 5% because I have a large cash reserve, but that carries risks too. Be disciplined. So, I think the bulls can break even higher. They have been dominating the market for a long time. They broke through the resistance area by going through the corridor. I think the sideways movement will be present in the future, but the buyers will still use at least one more impulse and we will close the trade above the entry point. A bot is not a dough button, it is a quality, working tool that will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. If you take it for free using the link in the description, you will also get access to VIP chat with forecasts. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description, subscribe. The contest is held every week. Friends, I have purposely accelerated the price to save you time and for ease of viewing. Let's be real. Trading isn't for the faint of heart. It's not a game of luck, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill, and like any skill, it takes time, patience, and persistence to master. If you're struggling right now, if it feels like every trade you make goes the wrong way, let me tell you one thing. You're not alone. Every trader has been there, but the difference between those who succeed and those who give up comes down to 2 things: how you manage your money and how you handle failure. Picture this. You're out at sea on a small boat. You've got just enough fuel to get back to shore, but instead, you decide to race around recklessly, burning through it all. What happens? You're stranded. Trading without money management is exactly like that. Here's the hard truth. If you're risking 10% or 20% of your deposit on a single trade, you're not trading, you're gambling. And let me tell you, the house always wins in gambling. Professional traders? They don't play that game. They risk only 1 to 2% of their deposit per trade. Why? Because losses are inevitable. They're part of the process. When you keep your risk small, a losing streak won't wipe you out. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need to win every trade to be profitable, you just need to manage your losses. Meanwhile, I closed my first trade in the plus side. The bot helped me, it assessed the situation correctly, and I made an objective decision. Yeah, guys. A robot helps you think faster, but you should not rely on it 100%. Think, pay attention to market movements. Then you can really climb to new heights. So, the new signal is lower. I entered a trade for about 2% of the amount in the account. Get FixProfit from the link in the description for free right now. You will get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50, you will get $50 bonus on top. Promo code works on the first deposit. Given the high intensity of fluctuations within the corridor, I think the bears will be able to break through the new resistance zone, and in the context of this trade, they will realize the potential. I listened to the bot's opinion and I see that the market is boiling, the movement is intense. I think the bears' potential will be higher by the end of this trade. You've probably heard the saying, patience is a virtue. In trading, patience isn't just a virtue, it's your survival gear. Imagine planting a tree. You don't stand there screaming at it to grow faster, do you? You water it, nurture it, and give it time. Trading is no different. The problem is, many of us want results right now. We want that massive win that doubles our deposit overnight. But here's the kicker. Those who chase quick wins often end up with quick losses. Trading is about building steady, consistent growth over time. It's about the long game. Here's a question for you. What do Michael Jordan, Elon Musk, and every successful trader have in common? They've all failed, a lot. Jordan missed thousands of shots. Musk's rockets exploded on the launch pad. And every trader who's now making 6 or 7 figures, they've blown accounts, missed opportunities, and made every mistake in the book. But here's the thing. Failure isn't the end. It's the beginning. Every loss is a lesson. It's feedback. It's the market telling you, this didn't work, now adjust. Think of trading like learning to ride a bike. You're going to fall. You're going to scrape your knees. But with every fall, you learn. You adapt. You grow. And eventually, you find your balance. Trading success is not a straight line. It's a roller coaster. One day, you're at the top, feeling unstoppable. The next day, you're plunging into doubt, questioning if you're cut out for this. Here's the secret. The highs and lows are part of the journey. Imagine climbing a mountain. The path is steep, the air gets thin, and every step feels harder than the last. But when you reach the summit, the view is worth every ounce of effort. In trading, the climb is your learning process. The summit is your financial freedom. And the only way to get there is to keep moving forward, even when it feels impossible. The traders you look up to? The ones who seem to have it all figured out? They weren't born with some magical talent. They struggled, just like you. The difference is, they didn't quit. And you don't give up. So, I closed the second trade in the plus side. Total profit for today, $2,062. Thanks to the robot for prompt help. Guys, take it for free and forever. Subscribe to our channel, put a like and click on the bell. Enter the cool $1,000 contest and subscribe to our informative Telegram channel. It gets cooler.